Hey guys, I am going to do a video as requested on how to. I'm going to take off these nails and then put on the nail. Okay, nothing too complicated here. I do get the Curve Life. They have, if you don't want to order your nails on Temu, they have awesome nails, but I like their glue and the remover. And I've got a feeling it's just, what is that stuff that... Anyway, it has a little thing on here, so you squirt that around. I just do way too much, probably. But these have been on here a while, so they probably won't be that hard to get off. Let's try it. Yep, told you. Ugh, gross. I'll try to stay in frame. I did a quick one recently, and I was totally off frame, so... I just try to get under there. I just put this one on recently, so that's probably why it's fighting me. There we go. And then I will come back and show you how to put them on. Okay, I don't know what happened, but I tried to show me filing these. What helps is to use, hopefully this is recording, yes, to put this on, this nail glue remover, and then that softens it up, and you just remove the glue, file it down, push back your cuticles, and then I put one nail on, but it didn't come out on the video. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so let's do the next one. So these are short square nails, and they have a round that goes towards your cuticle. You can use Kiss glue, LA Colors glue, and you can put it on the nail itself, the fake nail, or on your nail. Let's see how this goes. I do both. I don't... I don't have a pattern, then I have to remember. Yeah, here we go. So the round, nope, that's backwards. Okay, and then you just press it down for a little bit. You want to always make sure it's the right size for your nail bed. These are a little wild, but you know, they're springy. It'll be fine. So they say they're short, but I still have some length to them, so I'm good with that. Okay, let's see if this fits my... I'm sorry, I'm never in frame here. So let's put this one on. Super easy, guys. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Whoops, I can't film it, but I can do it. And then you want the point in, the curved side in, against your cuticles and stuff. Just hold that. I kind of roll my thumb around to make sure the glue adheres to the sides, the back, and the middle. And this is what we have so far. Kind of cute. I feel like when they're this printed, it's very obvious that they're fake nails. So I'm going to see that little bit there. File that off a little bit. There we go. Cute! Alright, let's see. Let's do, will this fit? Yes, another plaid. I realize, especially when I'm this close to the camera, I've always got allergies and stuff, so I apologize. I sound like a Darth Vader breathing here. I'm sorry, I'm not on camera. Other than that, listen to me, my heavy breathing, and just press it around for a little bit. Bada bing, bada boom. And then look at these cute ones for my little, I don't know. Let's try this for my pinky. Yep, that'll work. Okay, here we go. So yeah, super easy. These cost me like sometimes up a couple bucks, sometimes 85 cents. It just depends on Temu. Oh. You don't have to get them this printed, but it's fun. It makes me happy, so why not? Just press that down, and there we go. Super easy, kind of fun. And if they fall off, I can usually find it and get to glue eventually, or I have replacement. Now, they come with the glue tabs. I don't use those. So, all right, I'll do my next hand, and my other hand, my right hand, and then I'll come back. So there you go. I have a new set of nails. These will last probably over a week. What ends up wearing off first is the paint on the top. And my patience I want to try new, because don't worry, I've ordered lots on Temu. They're just so cute and cheap. All right, I hope that helped. Have fun. Now see, I have these extras that I can use if something pops off or whatever, or I want to mix them with some purple nails that I have in a set. So yeah, I do short, square. Some people are more comfortable with the point. They have pointed, they have medium. Medium's pretty long, and they look huge on my, feel like I look like I have shovels. So anyway, so there you go. Hope that helped. Like I said, I had some people requesting, so I wanted to put this out there. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.